Coker with Donna Coker's A Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and I'm going to show you today how to make a no-sew apron with just a t-shirt like the one I'm wearing now. You might need these for if you're doing crafts with your kids, if you just need a quick apron, or if you just want to use it as an apron, which is what I do because it's easy. It's free if you have an old t-shirt in your closet. Quick and easy, takes just a few minutes to make, and you just cut. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is cut armpit to collar. So we're going to start at the armpit. I'm not going to do real straight here or anything because I'm just doing it quickly. And this is one of my son's old shirts. Let's turn it over to the other side. You can do it from the front or the back. I'm not going to use this one, but if you do it from the front, it's usually for the pattern on the front. Alright, so then we're going to flip it over and cut along just the top part of the collar. Don't cut your collar off. Stay below the little seam. You can do it as neatly as you want. Alright, then we're going to go armpit to armpit again. The scissors aren't too sharp here. Alright, discard that. Then we're going to go up the sides to about 3 inches on each side. Oh, no way scissors. So we're going to go up the sides here. We'll leave about 3 inches or so. I was a little shy of 3 there, but that's okay. Alright, then we got, that leaves us with a rectangle here. We want to cut that off. So we're going to cut the rectangle off. And again, this is just a quick apron, so you can be as neat with it as you want, or as I'm doing, pretty sloppy, but that's what it is. Alright, let's straighten everything back out. Alright, then we're going to cut up and over, and we're going to make the strings. So we're going to cut up about halfway, and then over. And then you're going to want to cut up again. So, and that gives us our strings. So, this is ratty, I know, it's just an old shirt. It goes over like this. You have your strings that tie in the back, and you can make designs with it. You can sew pieces of it on for ruffling. You can see with mine, I put a little cherry bloom on it and a little pocket topper. So there's a lot of different things you can do with it. No, this is not my design. I just figured since if you were on my page and you needed a quick apron, it's right here. I believe I got it on CharityWings.org or somewhere like that. But anyway, but that's just a quick little tutorial on how to make a no-sew apron. And now back to soaping.